New construction in mid-city, this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with open floor plan is perfect for entertaining guests. The living room is spacious with vented gas fireplace, crown moldings, cool colour grey palette and plenty of natural light. The kitchen boasts quartz countertops with a large island, Soaring custom cabinets with upward feature glass fronts, undermount counter lighting and hidden outlets, allowing the subway tiles to have a clean, sleek look. Gas stove with stainless gas vented hood finishes off the kitchen, while a nearby pantry adds more prep space with built-in microwave and additional storage. The downstairs bedroom could also be used as an office, and a full modern guest bath features custom tiling around the tub and flooring. Upstairs is a conveniently located coffee station with mini fridge, microwave and sink. As you step into the huge master suite and onto the New Orleans style balcony overlooking the boulevard, it's an ideal place to relax, sip a cup of coffee or a glass of wine. The spa-like master bathroom is ideal for pampering yourself, with freestanding soaking tubs situated in front of a feature wall made with hand-laid marble and mother-of-pearl accents. Finishing off the bathroom area is a complimentary tile shower, double vanities and a walk-in closet with a special shoe rack for all you ladies. The 2 upstairs bedrooms have plenty of room for closet space. Both are coloured in a cool natural colour palette and have plenty of natural light. The backyard features a covered porch and is also fully fenced for your total privacy. This home in mid-city Baton Rouge has all the features you desire. Make your appointment for your private showing today.